Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's Jenny, and it's time for your daily deal. And you want to know just how much money you can save today. So come on in, and we're going to talk about it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, go ahead and subscribe. Look below. You'll get a deal every day. Field trips to the store. Wonderful new friends. Prayers when you need it. Well, what more could you ask for? I think the friends thing just takes care of all of it. So go ahead and subscribe, guys. And, well, we'll have a new crazy friend, and you'll save a lot more money. Because even if you watch other folks, well, we dare to compare. Of course, let the video play all the way to the end, please. It's so important. Even if you don't want to watch it, just listen to it or turn down the sound. I love you bunches for doing that. And always, always leave a comment. That's important, just so I know you're there, okay? Just so I know you're there, because I do watch out for you. So, per request today, we're going to be doing some groceries, and we're going to be saving quite a lot on these groceries. So, first thing we're going to start off with is this Dasante water, because we've got a double dip. We've got a $2 digital store coupon, and we have a dollar manufactured coupon working on this as well. So actually, you're going to be getting $3 off, leaving you paying $2.75 for the Dasante water. Now, these deals that I'm showing you in this breakdown, you can use individually as, your one thing that you want to do today, like that's leftover lunch money. Because that's how I used to do it, actually. If I had leftover lunch money, I would stop at the store and see how low I could go. And this is a good low way to go to get you some water. But if you want to utilize that 5 off 25 that we've got for the week, well, you can add all of these little deals together. So our next deal is going to be the Pillsbury. Now, the Pillsbury products are on the sale 2 for $7. They're not in our sales paper. It's an unadvertised sale, okay? But we have several coupons for the Pillsbury products. So we're going to pick up 2 Pillsbury products, and you've got $1 off of one for the Pillsbury cookies, or $1 off of 2. Now, the next thing we're going to pick up is this ginormous jar of Hellmann's mayonnaise for $8.25. You've got a $3 off. Going to make that $5.25. Switch to our app so I can show you these items in play in the app. Now, this is our last 2 items that we're going to add to this deal. And that's going to be the Jimmy Dean Breakfast Bowl for $3.50. And the State Fair Classic Corn Dog Stick Count. Now, if you don't want the classic corn dogs, you can actually pick up the chicken nuggets or something of that nature. Out of pocket, it'd be a little bit more. These were just the 2 of the cheapest items that would get you to the $8 so that you could get your $2 off. Okay? Now, this is a store coupon for $2. So remember, we'll have to go to 27 to use this coupon. This is our coupon for our Hellmann's mayonnaise. And you see where the 5 off 25 is applying. And here you see the Dasante water double dip. So now we have a total of $4 that we've got to go over. So we need to be at $29. Because we have 2 store coupons and the 5 off 25. And lastly, as you can see, we've got 2 Pillsbury. And because I have more than one of them clipped, the saved $1 on one is what came up. So it would be 2 for $6. Because they're on sale 2 for $7. My total came to $30.40. My coupons is $14. Offers are $90, so $14.90 coming off. Out of pocket with taxes, $16.14, because food taxes are not that much, just like 64 cents. So we'll be paying before taxes $15 and change before taxes for all of these items. And I think that's a winner chicken dinner. You're saving 50%, guys, on food items. So there's your daily deal for today. Now, we also have a quick pick deal for you. And a quick pick deal is a real small deal that you could just run in and do and run back out of the store. Do you need diapers? You got a baby in the house? You can get 2 bags of Love diapers, and you can get a box of Pampers and the Desante water, and it's coming to $32. You're going to save $17, guys. Save $17 on this. Your out of pocket is going to be $15 and change. Yes, $15 and change for 3 packs of diapers and water. And you don't have to have the water. Let's see what it's going to be without the water. Take away the water, you're going to be spending $13 for the 3 packs of diapers, and that's a winner chicken dinner deal if you got babes. All right, guys, double dipping, double deals. I love you bunches, and I'll see you again next video, because we're doing a scenario a day along with your daily deals, and you want to know. Blessings.